Hey everybody, this is Brandon Peterson again with another instructional technology tutorial. This time I wanted to show you some options for screencasting tools. So if you want to display things that are on your screen, maybe you're doing tutorials of your own or just showing some resources online, anything like that. These are some tools that you can use for free to allow you to broadcast what you are showing on your screen, and can be pretty useful. So free screencasting tools. The three we're going to look at are Screencastify, which is a free Chrome extension, Screencast-O-Matic, which is a browser-based or another browser-based one, and Open Broadcaster software, which is a program that you can install. So let's go ahead and get started with this. So the first one I wanted to show you, this one would work like with Chromebooks or anything in your Chrome browser using a computer. You need to have a Google account for it in order to sign in, and this is called Screencastify. So you just go to Google and you go to the Chrome web store, and I'm just going to show you how to search for it. Screencastify, and I already have it installed on here, but you can see where it says Screencastify screen video recorder, 4 stars, not bad. And when you click on the installation of that, or you browse through it, this is kind of the screen that you go to that opens up, and it's real easy to follow. So this is when you just install it. Need help getting started, it's real easy. They have some tutorials on there to help you with it, and then all you have to do is go up here at the top to your little tools, your little Google apps and stuff that you install, your Chrome apps and extensions, and you can click on that. When you click on this, I'm not signed in right now, but if you're signed in and you click on that, it'll say something like, do you want to sign in? If you're not signed in, and when you click yes, it'll open up a screen and it'll ask you if you're ready to start recording. It'll ask you if you want to record your browser window or if you want to record your whole desktop at once. And so you select that option and then you record, and then when you're done, it will put it into your Google Drive, or you can download it as an MP4 file. Real easy to use, and it's free, so it's pretty cool. You don't have to install a bunch of software, and I know a lot of people use this and really like it. And it's a good, useful tool, especially if you're using like a Chromebook, or you using something that doesn't have a lot of resources for you to be running software. So that's the first one I wanted to show you. The second one I wanted to show you is called Screencast-O-Matic. There's a free version and there's a money version for it. You can get started for free. I want to show you something here first. If we look at the pricing options, these are the pricing options, but like I said, I want you to have the free version. So I'm scrolling down to compare the plan features. And the free version, you can record the screen. One thing I should say about the Chrome one that we looked at before, I think it has a limit of 5 minutes per video, so you may have to kind of segment your videos and put them together with a video editor or something like that, or just do short tutorials. This one here, I believe it's like 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes for the free version. So you can record the screen or webcam. You can record the window or a full screen. You can zoom in. You can trim the recordings. You can add captions. You can do all those things. You'll notice one of the options here, it will have a watermark, but the watermark just says like Screencast-O-Matic in the bottom left-hand corner. It's not covering your screen or anything like that, and you get the longer time with the 15 minutes on this. So I think that's a pretty good option for that. When you're ready to use it, you just go to Launch Free Recorder, and hopefully this won't take too long. This here, it'll ask you to install a screen recorder launcher. Alright, and then once you do that, the first time it may install it or ask you to like download it into your downloads folder or whatever, but then after you do that once, it won't ask you ever again, and then this is your kind of browser based recorder. You can choose if you want the screen, the webcam. The max time is at 15 minutes. You can change your resolution. The narration, you can record with a microphone, but you cannot record your computer audio with the free version. But if you're narrating and doing a tutorial, it's perfect for that. When you're ready, you hit the record button. You record it. When you're done, you push that button again, and it works. It works really well. You can change the size of the screen. You know, make it however big you want or whatever. So if you just want to capture part of your screen or whatever, that works great for it. And it's a great option for you to record those screencasts or those tutorials. When you're done, you can download it as, I believe, an MP4 and edit it or upload it to YouTube, do whatever. I'm going to close out of that. Cancel, get out of that. And there's that program. The third one I wanted to show you is Open Broadcast software. This one is available again for Windows, Mac, or Linux. And this one you actually install the program, but this is the one I use for all my tutorials. Really good to use. You can add like different sources for your microphones, or if you want to record with a capture device, or if you just want to record your screen or whatever. So here I'm just going to open up my window here as it's recording, and you get the crazy mirror inside of a mirror effect with that. But I just have one scene on here. I have one microphone, which is the one I'm talking into right now. Display capture, which is my screen. You can change those, adjust your volumes and all that stuff. This one you can record your desktop audio if you want. I don't have mine set up for that, just in case I had any notifications and I didn't want it to be distracting or disrupting on this. And then you just hit record, and then when you're done you hit stop recording, and then it will put this file as a video file, and it'll call it like the current date, and it'll put that into your videos file on your desktop if you're using Windows, or in your documents if you're using Windows. So you'll be able to go into your username and then go to videos and find your files real easy, or you can even go into your settings and have it save at a different location as well. So again, that's the three most useful ones. I've used Screencastify from time to time. I've used Screencast-O-Matic, especially when I was doing early tutorials, and it was a great free option. And then I was shown this Open Broadcaster software, and I've pretty much used it for everything ever since. But all three have free options, and they allow you to, you know, you could record yourself while you're going through a presentation or something, or if you're showing how to diagram or looking at some resources online, narrate it and make a video or do whatever you want to with that. So again, hopefully that's a useful technology tip for you to do some screencasting and things of that nature. And hopefully this is useful, and thanks again for watching, and I hope you all have a great night. Talk to you later.